Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. What do you think? Do you want to learn AutoCAD? If you really want to know about AutoCAD, you need to watch this video till the end. So just go for this video. Now you can see this is my building plan and I'm going to cut this building plan in this horizontal direction. So this is my horizontal direction and I have cut this like this way. So just go for Excel command, construction line command and H enter. So click it here. Before doing this, just go for hide of your ribbon bar. So just click it here, you can hide your ribbon bar. Now go for offset command of 2 feet for plinth height. After this, window sill height is 3 feet. Enter this. Now go for 4 feet for window height. Now from plinth 10 feet. Escape it. Now go for Excel command for V. What you can see from here, if you cut this, you can see your wall. Inside this wall you can see your window. So just go and click this wall, click it. Now you will see this also, this wall also you can see it. And not only this wall, this gap will be shown. Inside this gap you can see this door also. And then what you can see, this wall is not there, you can't see it anything here. Skip it. What you see means there is nothing, you can't see anything, but this window you can see and this door you can see and this wall also you can see it. Escape it. Now what you do means, just select this all, go for trim command. Just once again do like this, you can trim all these extra lines. After that, what the things are needed, you can see here there is nothing, but here there is a window in this. So that what you do means, go for line command. So this from here only you can see, go a small line, again repeat of this command and draw one line here. Again you can see here also you can see the window. Again go for line command, draw one line, go for line command here. Just go for offset command of 2 inches from both the sides. You can get it from here like this. In this same way this side also you need to do. After that, escape it. Now click this middle one in the both the sides of this. Now delete this. After that, what we need to do means, just go for Chhajja. Offset command of Chhajja will be 3 inches. You need to click this, escape it. Now here also, now we need to provide some Chhajja beam also. Go for offset command of 6 inches. Here in the same way you can see it here. Go for escape. Now go for Chhajja offset, go for Excel command V, enter. Now click it here. In the same way here also, just escape it. Just go for extend command, EX, double enter. What you need to do means, just click it here. Actually we need to do here. In the same way this side also do this here. Escape it. After that, just go for trim, double enter. In this also trim it, trim this, trim it, trim it. Now what we need to trim this means, you need to trim this, this and this also. In the same way here also you need to do, just go and trim this also, this also, sorry, here this is our chhaja, so skip it. Now delete this, we don't want this. After that again go for trim command, whatever the required things are there we need to go with that, so that this will be our door. Means here I have drawn, means here. So what we do means we need to go extend, double enter, do this also, go for trim command, trim it. So delete these all extra lines which we do not require now. So just go for trim these all. Right now I require this line, so I am going to take it into my account, skip it, go for rectangle command, just drag it up to here, go for offset command of 3 inches, just do it like this, escape it. Now as I already told you here, which are our, this is our door, this will be our window, means this is our window. Go for REC like this, draw, skip it, offset command of 3 inches, just drag it inside, delete it, go for trim command, trim this all likewise. So just delete this. After that what we need to do means, this will be, you can see this is our door. So go for extend command, double enter, just do extend it, go for trim command, trim this also we need to do like this, skip it, trim this, delete it, trim it like this. I have trimmed, skip it, go for REC command, so drag up to here, REC, I have dragged up, skip it, go for offset command of 3 inches from inside. Now this is our wall which I can see, go for extend command. In this wall nothing we need to show because nothing is there in this wall, so skip it, this wall will be as it is. After that this wall, so there nothing, means our almost work has been done. This I have shown, this also I have shown, this also. So what we need to do means, just go and trim this all, delete this, here also we need to delete it. So that what we need to do means, first we need to delete this also, just delete it, go for Excel, V enter, just click it here and here, escape it. You can see I have got these 3 lines, but delete one line by delete button. Just go for trim command, you can see. After that you can see this wall, you can see this wall, but you can't see this, but this wall exists. So that go for escape, go for offset command of 5 inches slab thickness and 9 inches for beam, escape it, go for extend command, just do it, extend, do it here also, escape it. Now go for Excel plus B enter, do it here also. As you know there is no wall, go for trim command. I'm just doing this for my beam. Now whatever the things to be trimmed, this should be trimmed, this should be trimmed, this also, likewise here also, here also. After that skip it. Now go for line command up to here. In the same way go for line command of here also, go for extend command, do it, go for trim command, trim this, here also we need to do trim, go for again extend command, this one, because you know this is the chhaja, just do it trim. So PR double enter we need to do here. This should not be there in the both of this, so that we have extended this L go with that trim, TR double enter, like this we needed. So we could do this. You can see it here. I have done with the almost work has been done. Now parapet wall. So go for offset command of 4 feet parapet wall will be good for this parapet wall. Go for extend command, double enter. If we will do this, that will be good for us. So here also we need to do extend command, just go for line, just and skip it. After that onwards, what we need to do means we need to provide some this sectional column. Go for copy command, just we need to click on this, go for function key, F8, just zoom out. After zoom out, just keep it here. In the same way here, in the same way here, and finally here. Now delete this. After that, just some extra line will be there, you can see it. Just trim it, just trim it, just do like this only. I have did. So I need to provide with some chhaja. Chhaja means some hatching. Go with the hatch. Before going to hatch, go for offset command of 1 feet of 1 inch of marble thickness. After marble, go for 4 inches of flooring thickness. If you have complete with this, just go for color, means hatch. Hatch is most important. If you are good drawing of this, it makes your client more attractive. Go for AR concrete. For this, click it. Now select this all. Likewise you need to do for all these sectional columns. That will be good for you. So that I am doing. Now what you do means you just go and select it. You select this also, you select this also. So just go for this bilayer as a this color, skip it, go for line command, just corner of this, skip it, line, go with the corner, do this. But you can see my bilayer should not be selected. Just go and select it, this color, skip it. In the same way, just go for line command here also, skip it. Now go for line command in the middle. This is my window. So that like this you need to think, means if I will be stand here, what I can see, the visible part only you need to keep it, or else you need not to keep anything. Now what you do means go for hatch, just go for solid, go for pink. Now beam, skip it, go for lintel. What color you need to provide for lintel, that your section plan will be looks attractive. After that onwards, just go for hatch, go for some glasses like this one, provide it here and do it here also, in this both also, here also, skip it. After that, what color, that's depend on you, whatever color you need to like, you can go with that color. So I will provide this, I like this only, that's why I am going with this. So you can see I didn't trim this, so go for trim, again go with the solid, this sign will be in pink, click it. You can see I have done with this, skip it. If you make this as a good, it will look some good to your client. Now go for text, this is your parapet, this is your whatever thing is that you need to show it. Now I will show, this is my parapet wall, so go for PARA, parapet wall of 4 feet, enter this, skip it, go for quick properties, go with this 10 inches, enter it. Now you can see it looks some good, so you need to go with this. Now what you need to do means you need to go with this wall also. So what color you need to provide with for this, inside of this wall window is there, I am going with this color, so skip it. Now just go for this, go for AR concrete. Now you can see this, my job has been completed. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you for this.